today's video, I am going to show you how to make this prebiotic triple hyaluronic toner. Hello everybody. If you are new here, I am Elham from Skin Chakra, the place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. This is a very basic but effective formulation with a light skin feel, perfect for summertime, and I have blended the hyaluron with 3 different molecular weight ranges to make the best of its penetration and anti-aging properties as well as moisturizing properties. As always, the complete formulation and procedure are available on our blog. Join me through this easy tutorial and make this beautiful toner. Weigh phases A, B and C in separate beakers. Here you see as well phase D without arginine. It's only the blend of the 2 preservatives. You can use a magnetic stirrer or an overhead stirrer, and that makes the work much easier, but you can as well prepare small batches without any of them. Stir phase A till it is completely homogeneous. Then add the powders in phase B gradually. I'm using a sieve in order to add the powder gradually and avoiding building lumps. It takes a while, but all of the powders are water soluble and blend easily with the hydrosol phase. When all of phase B is completely incorporated in the hydrosol phase, you now have to add the hyaluron phase. This is a little bit more tricky than just the powders in phase B, but it is easily achievable as well. Use the sieve and use your magnetic stirrer or an overhead stirrer or another kind of stirrer that creates a kind of vortex, and add the powder very slowly to the vortex. In this way you avoid building clumps. If in worst case the hyaluron happens to build clumps, don't panic, just give it time. It takes longer time, but it will eventually completely dissolve and disperse. When all of the hyaluron is homogeneously dispersed and dissolved in the hydrosol phase, you now need to prepare a 10% dilution of the product in distilled water and measure the pH. In our case, the pH was about 4.7 and it is too low to add the preservative. We need to slightly increase the pH. Add arginine, very tiny amounts. For this batch I have used about 0.1% to slightly increase the pH, and then you can add the preservative. Now add the preservative blend and blend completely. Make another dilution and measure the pH. This preservative system, you want a pH between 5.2 and 5.5, and in our case it was 5.38, that is perfectly in range. Take the stability and microkit samples and then fill the rest of the products in suitable containers. So here we are. The toner is filled in a spray bottle with a nice and light skin feel, without any tackiness. You can fill it in a spray bottle, in a dropper bottle, or any other suitable container as you desire. I hope you have enjoyed making this toner and will enjoy using it. I will see you soon in another tutorial. Bye bye.